In order to identify projects with significant business impact and select which project should be focused on first, we will be using the Project Prioritizer template. The Project Prioritizer is a matrix where each of 5 factors associated with the project is given a rating, and the product of those factors gives a relative score that can be used to set priorities among the candidate projects. To begin, we go to the Define section of the DMAIC menu and select Project Prioritizer, and then we click the Launch button. Here, we can enter a name for our new project before we create it. For this example, we will be looking at a local bank which wants to make improvements but has a large number of areas where they could focus their time. Each project should be listed along the first column of the template. In this example, the bank took various steps from their value stream and added them to the list. Then each project should be evaluated in each of the 5 areas presented: importance to customer, cost to implement, feasibility, cost reduction, and leverage. A drop-down list from 1 to 5 allows you to rank each project relative to the others in each of the categories. Note that cost to implement is slightly different from expected, where a high-cost project should be ranked a 1 and a low-cost project should be ranked a 5. In this example, the bank rated high unit cost products with a 2 for importance to customer, a 4 for cost to implement, a 4 for feasibility, a 5 for cost reduction, and a 1 for leverage. Once all the projects are evaluated according to the criteria, the score will appear on the right side along with a number ranking. The project with the highest score should be the highest priority factor. For our bank, you'll see that cross-business communication is ranked 1 with a score of 500. Its high importance to the customer gave it a high ranking. With the information from this template, we can make a decision on which projects to move forward with and in which order, in order to have the greatest impact. This concludes our tutorial. You can find more tutorials for tools in EngineRoom by going to www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.